Hey guys, okay, today I actually wanted to talk about Shungite. I have found this amazing stone and it's fucking phenomenal. About a week ago, I got the Shungite in the mail. It came from Soviet Union, Russia, somewhere over there, wherever, across the world. I made my water. I took a glass, like a 16-ounce glass. I put my, filled it up a third full, because you're supposed to have about 200 grams per 2 liters of water, and I'm not going to make that much water just for myself, but one thing I noticed when I actually drank the water, I drank it, and I probably pissed, excuse my language, about 20 times within an hour. I did not know, today I went through and I kind of researched more. I did not know it was that powerful of an antioxidant, and I did not know it can work up to 2 months after consuming Shungite water. So I just kind of wanted to go over the basics with you guys, because it is, seriously, you have got to get this stone before it actually becomes like more pricey than gold, because it is fabulous. So basically it's just 2 billion years old. It conducts electricity on its own. I have a huge bag that is Shungite. It's like charcoal, so it's just this nasty, it has this nasty crap. So I have my little whatever you want to call it, reader or something. So I don't know if you guys can hear this or not, but it actually creates its own electrical charge. So how am I going to do this? With just, okay. So yeah, it does give off its own electrical charge and leaves nasty black shit on your hands. It kills and devours all that is intended to harm all living beings. So what it does is it's like an immune system like boost, super like boost. It actually creates, makes your water into living water. And it almost contains the entire periodic table, and that is totally contradictory, yeah, that's a word, I think. It slows down cancer, it slows down AIDS virus, it's like a cure-all. Today I noticed that I woke up and I was kind of jittery and shaky. I did some research, and it's actually detoxing my body of anything disgusting and gross. So say for instance it actually absorbs, like you can put these on your like your microwave, anything that gives off an EMF, so like on your computer, animal water, it's great for healing animals. It's a carbon base. So carbon is the base of Shungite. Fluorines, I don't know if I'm saying that right. That's how it receives its power. It gets in the body, and it's the longest acting antioxidant. So, purifies the air in the water, intensifies biological elements in the water, or in your body. So, yeah, it fights free radicals in the body. Single doses lasts for months. Like I said before, I had no clue. So maybe I don't have to drink this every single day, because the water tastes, it tastes kind of, it's different. I have reverse osmosis, which actually purifies the water already. So, I don't know how much, that helps the water, but I did notice a huge difference, and especially today I noticed like just I can breathe better, which makes me want to smoke more, which is strange. I noticed my dreams were more vivid, more clear. I noticed actually, and I don't know if this is like a placebo effect, but I've noticed like my skin is softer today, my hair is softer. It's supposed to heal wounds. So the Fountain of Youth elixir, maybe this really is, I don't know. But in 2006, it was, the scientists won a Nobel Prize for this. So it's actually really, really amazing. It comes only from Russia. So if you do get it, it is very expensive. Very, very expensive. I got half a pound, which was very expensive. So that's what's left of a half a pound of Shungite. And it's supposed to come with a free gift. It never does, so don't count on the free gift. But it really is. It's amazing. I am now doing my second batch of Shungite water. I also noticed when I woke up this morning, it was like I was just sweating, profusely sweating. And it's almost like everything that was in my body, today even continuously, just, it's getting out of my body, all these toxins. I feel overall good. So I'm going to continue doing, the Shungite. I actually have another batch going on the altar. And to kind of amp it up, I put carnelian with it to kind of give it more power, since carnelian is an active stone. And I also put a quartz point, just normal regular quartz point, next to it to give it kind of more of a oomph. So I'm not 100% sure. I mean, I know it's all scientifically proven, which is good. I mean, that is just fantastic. And yeah, I just noticed it's just small things to start off with. So I'm thinking, maybe here in a couple weeks, maybe it can cure anxiety. Maybe you don't have to take antidepressants anymore. Maybe it could be that miracle cure. It does help with cancer, and the AIDS. Yeah, that's, it purifies the air. And that, I'm not good with the measuring of the Shungite and the water. So if you take just like I said earlier, a 16-ounce glass, fill it a third full, and that's actually for my British friend. So thanks to the Brits, now I'm collecting crystals and stones and rare stones from all over the world. Thanks, Chris. Yeah. So, do you guys have any experience with Shungite? Any specific stones? Anything? I would love to hear. And if you guys do use Shungite, I would love to hear that too. And I plan on actually doing a little sachet in the shower, so it actually purifies the water, and it's the elixir of youth. So if it's gonna cure, I just think it's amazing, and I had to share it with everybody. And it seems like I have more energy too. I want to talk more. Then again, I'm just, I'm still in the awe stage of the actual water, so it's just crazy. Okay, and then here is my second batch. This batch isn't as big, that it's like an 6-ounce glass, but you can kind of see all the bubbles and just everything. And it actually, it's purifying my water, so I can't wait to drink more of it. And mine actually doesn't give off that, black film. So what I do is, when my last batch, I just kind of took a coffee filter, put it over another cup, and just kind of filtered it out, and then I dried those, put them back in that, a smaller glass, so I'm sure that's going to be even more powerful, if that's what you want to call it, because the last glass was pretty big. So we'll see how this one goes, but yeah, I highly warn you, if you drink it, you're gonna piss like a horse, and it's good stuff. I can totally tell. Yeah, that's pretty much it. But I mean, you can even see like the bubbles. They don't disappear. It's like they explode in the water and create more bubbles. So I don't know if you can see any of them coming up. They don't go away, and it is very cool. And the water actually tastes cleaner. It tastes more. You're not dehydrated, and you don't feel blah. And it's just I'm just in complete awe over that, over just Shungite. I had no clue. So yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep you guys updated on this because I'm freaking excited. So I want you guys to be excited over it too. But yeah, if you guys have experiences with Shungite, any kind of stone, just yeah, comment below. Let me know what you think. And yeah, definitely check eBay, check your source, make sure it's from Russia. And yeah, don't try not to spend. I mean, because it is very expensive. I think I paid for half pound. I got, it was like $25. So I expect it to go up big time, and I'm kind of dreading that. So if you can get your hands on it now, maybe. I have got to get more. So yeah, that's my Shungite experiment for 2 days now. So yeah, just let me know what you guys think, and yeah, thank you all for watching again and hearing me ramble and babble, and yeah, but alright guys, I love you all very much, and everybody have a great weekend. Happy Memorial Day, Labor Day, whatever weekend it is, and I will talk to you all later.